In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Contact Us page on Shopify. We are going to create a contact page inside your Shopify store and then add it to your store navigation so customers can easily find it. This is a simple setup, but it is an important one because it gives visitors a clear way to reach out to you with questions, support requests, or general inquiries. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the menu on the left, go to Online Store and then click Pages. This section is where you manage all of the standalone pages on your store, such as your About page, Policies, and Contact page. Once you are on the Pages screen, click Add Page. You will now see the page editor. In the title field, enter Contact Us. Using a clear and familiar title like this helps customers immediately understand what the page is for. Next, look over to the Template section on the right-hand side. Open the drop-down menu and select Contact. This is the key part of the setup because the contact template is what adds the built-in contact form to the page. Without selecting this template, the page would just be a regular content page. After that, click Save. Your Contact Us page is now created and ready to be linked in your store menu. Now we need to make sure customers can actually find it. Go back to the left-hand menu, click Online Store again, and then select Navigation. This is where you control the links that appear in places like your main menu or footer menu. Choose the menu where you want the Contact Us link to appear. If you want it to be highly visible, the main menu is a good choice. If you prefer to place it with informational links, the footer menu also works well. Inside that menu, click Add Menu Item. In the name field, enter Contact Us. Then click the link field, choose Pages, and select the Contact Us page you just created. This makes sure the menu item connects directly to the correct page. Click Add, and then click Save Menu to apply the change. At this point, your Contact Us page has been created and added to your store navigation. It is a good idea to preview your store and test the link so you can confirm everything is working correctly and the page appears where you expect it to. That covers everything you need to know.